news here as we're halfway through the first official week of April 9th, 2025. CN Hayes here. It is 14:07 coming to you from West Ladysmith on the Canadian Nationals Parent Summit at milepost 128.8 with a video lineup for you. S775 shows up finally. 77581 of the 8th decides to reappear. They must have decided to switch the locomotives around. As you've just seen, we just had the new 3399 to the honors for this occasion. And I got a feeling the ex-Citirail, the 2767, might be placed as rear DPU now, after having some troubles yesterday. So she's got signal indications north to go on to the CN Superior submain now, after showing back up ML 128 to release authority on the Barron submain from milepost 126 to milepost 110. So let's check out the rest of the S775 81 of the 8th as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. Today we're on duty yesterday evening since 2100. The 77581 of the 8th has started at Source Energy Services, a warehouser, and is going to head up to East Edmonton, Alberta, Canada via CPKC. We really got the brakes locked on here. I'm sure they're going to need to climb up the hill here at Control Point West Ladysmith. The new CN 3399 is my 31st of 60 of the GECX nee-BNSF variants. So the new 3370 that I saw on Saturday afternoon was my 30th. Last of the S775 is coming, and I hear the rear DPU now. And it's the ex-Citirail A2767, no doubt. And we're gonna listen to her open up the throttle in the meantime. GECX GECX 1022 is the last of it. S767 is the one that was responsible of the fouled K5HL. That is gonna do it for the new 3399 and the 2767 for the S775 81 of the 8th. So 14:15 at this time, and we'll show their departure from Ladysmith at this time. CN 3399 north, entering Superior Submain North Ladysmith, no restrictions. That's gonna do it for this video at West Ladysmith near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks so much for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.